Here it is, my 1987 Porsche 944. Very cool little car. As you can tell from the intro, it had been sitting outside under a tree for a while. A lot of pine needles and unfortunately a lot of sap. But paint's looking pretty good now. Actually cleaned up very nice. And it's actually a pretty decent car. Quite happy with this little thing. I'll show you guys what I did to get the paint looking like this. After wiping down the car with some warm soapy water, it's time to deal with the tree sap. Rubbing alcohol, or even brake clean, and a microfiber works quite well to remove the sap. So, by the way, doing that method of cleaning sap will slightly scratch it. I'm polishing the whole car, so I'm not too concerned, but just so you're aware. But so far already the car's looking so much better. The thing was just sitting outside. Seems crazy. Now that the dirts and sap are removed, it's time to go over the entire 944 with a clay bar. This will remove a lot of the small contaminants, and the idea is that the clay will absorb them so your polishing pad won't. Take a listen at the difference this makes. As this will slightly scratch the paint, it's best to go in lines instead of circles to minimize those sunlight rings. It's kind of hard to see, but the clay did an excellent job of absorbing the particles. Alright, so the Porsche is quite clean. You can still see quite a few little scratches and stuff, but the next step is to mask off all the rubber bits. So masking off the windows, door seals, a few things like that around the door handles, just because I do not want to hit those with the polisher. It's always best to start with a very gentle polish and pad instead of a cutting pad, just to see how soft the paint is. Once you get a feel for what works, lightly dab and spread the polish. I start slow and try to evenly spread the polish before giving it some speed. A lot of the fine scratches have disappeared. Amazing! Then rinse and repeat for the entire car. So it's looking quite a bit better. However, if I were to push it outside right now, you'd see probably a bit of swirls. This is due to the fact that I was cutting it, so it will leave swirls. So I have to go over the whole car with kind of a really fine polish. Some people call it swirl remover, but it is just very fine. After the final stage of polishing and a light coat of wax, it's time to remove the tape and enjoy. Maybe I'll wait till summer. And here we have it, the final result. Hope you guys enjoy. A little bit of a different video, but I kind of figured this car would turn out good. There is like paint chips and blemishes, but overall it looks very nice. Very cool little car. Yeah, thanks for watching.